We've done it, family. New money rope 2.0 is finally here. Okay, people, family, big day today, man. It's gonna be a quick, short video. Like I just wanted to open up the first sample of the money rope 2.0 and share there. Can't even talk, I'm so excited. Just wanted to share this experience with you. As I always do, man, I always try to kind of document big things that happen behind the scenes here at RA. And I know I've been super busy. This place is an absolute tip. Let me just show you what I'm looking at, by the way. This is the kind of stuff. This is my packaging table. Let me give you a quick little whiz around here. Just look at this place, people, man. It's just, yeah, it's not good. It's not cool. It's been a dream in the making, man. Like everything that seems to happen with Rush Athletics. I've been making creating this mold even for like 12 to 14 months now. And the money rope, the original money rope, this bad boy has been like the pillar of RA. It's been like just the foundations of this brand and what this rope has done for this community and how it's gelled and brought people together and created such an amazing, I guess, vibe and energy around skipping. It's just right that we brought out an upgraded, improved version of that original rope, and the money rope 2.0, what you're looking at right now, is not only better, it is stronger. The feel of it is incredible. We also have our logo embossed into the handle now. Today's video is just about sharing the moment with you guys. It's just a special place for me, YouTube. It's a place where so much has happened. So much of my life has been turned around because of you, the community, and YouTube. And I just want to share this moment of just kind of looking at this rope for the first time with you. To be honest with you, I haven't opened it before today. What I'm really proud of most about this is the materials that we've used for this handle. It's not the common kind of lighter PVC or lighter kind of plastic. So it's going to be a lot more durable, man. It's going to be a lot more durable for those of you who accidentally maybe, I don't know, slips out your hand, or those of you who want to try releases. And the lightweight ergonomic feels are still going to remain. And going forward in the future, when it comes in its brand new case, by the way, we're going to try and remove as much plastic as we can. The original rope came in a poly bag. We know that a lot of people throw this away. We want to try and be a bit more environmentally friendly as well where we can. And we're going to try and move to a cardboard kind of case. The key thing here is that our vinyl is not going to change. The vinyl is what really sets us apart, I feel like, as a skipping brand. The vinyl of Rush Athletics is just, it's top notch. It is absolute quality. And I'm not just saying that because obviously it's my brand, but just in general, as a guy who's used literally hundreds of different styles of skipping ropes, stretchy types, some really stiff types, this vinyl, when looked after, is ideal, is perfect for my style of kind of working out or my style of skipping. And if you're looking to kind of emulate that and get to that level, then you can't beat this vinyl. So the vinyl stays the same. We've also kind of rounded off the finish inside the handles as well. So it's going to give it a lot more protection to the rope as it goes around. I know a lot of beginners out there who have kind of different techniques at the start will tend to kind of cause friction at the handle. This is going to help because we've now also added that feature in, and it's going to elevate the skipping game, like I said, because it's just a handle that has been custom designed, custom made in terms of the materials that we're using, and it's very similar to the kind of legacy rope finish. So that nylon kind of finish that it has on the legacy rope, this is going to have the same. So with these samples, I also just wanted to check out kind of a couple of different types of ropes, different kind of colors. So we've got this white, blue, and kind of yellow rope here, kind of like a Sweden flag. This kind of pink with glitter. Got to keep your options open in it. We've got this really nice, cool kind of blue, white, and red vinyl, which is nice and different. It's cool, I guess, if you're from the Philippines or from America. And we've also got this kind of black, red, and white kind of vibe as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring these colors out, by the way. Let me know. Drop a comment. This is just kind of off the cuff, man. I'm just freestyling this video. I just wanted to share with you our new handle. Rock solid. These are super tough. Upgrade here is it's discreet, but if you know your ropes, you'll notice it even more, if that kind of makes sense. So that's why this is going to be known as the Money Rope Performance, aka kind of 2.0, but Money Rope Performance. And then this Money Rope will still remain. This will still be our entry level rope. It will always remain with the Rush Athletics brand. But now we'll be starting to offer, when the producer, when we create them, we'll be creating the Money Rope Performance as a kind of upgrade, or for those of you who just like to kind of step it up a notch, kind of upgrade your skills to kind of releases, or have a better, kind of more improved feel for your skipping. But we're just stepping up the game. Like, it's just, that's what it's about, man. This is what I'm trying to do. This is all I ever ask, is just that you guys try and do the same out there. Whatever you're up to, whatever you're doing, whatever your game is, just level it up, improve where you can, take it step by step. It's not going to come overnight. And every single day I wake up, every single day my mind switches on. That's all I'm thinking to do, is how can I improve? How can I do better? And products like this is off the back of people giving me feedbacks, off the back of the dream that I had to make the most ideal skipping rope out there. Me knowing my truth and knowing what my capabilities are and what I'm able to do, I'm gonna keep pushing, man, and I'm gonna make sure that I bring out the best products out there for the skipping community and for the skipping game. And I'm just gonna make sure that the path that we're on, the snowball that we're creating, that's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and we're gonna get to the destination at some point or another, and we're gonna take over the cardio world and retire treadmills once and for all. No, but for real, like, it's an honor, man. It's an honor to be in this journey, and it's an honor to share my truths with you, and not be that guy that tries to like paper over any cracks and just say, oh, like, this is a great product when it isn't. Like, that's not me. That's not what this brand is going to stand for. Like, we've heard so many voices around the world on just what the original Money Rope did for loads of people, for thousands of people, and I want to try and get more and more people involved. I want to try and get more and more people experiencing these type of vibes and emotions that so many have already done. So it's like, it's just, we can get this to really spread and explode even more. And all I ask is that you guys continue to support. And I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful for every single person just watching this right now, watching this video, decided to switch on and learn about skipping ropes from day one, or from 2 months ago, from last week. Just learn about how to use this thing and how to use it effectively, and support Rush Athletics as a brand and spread it to your friends and family. So, peeps, I'm excited, man. We're going to get this into production ASAP. As always, man, please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how your skipping journey is going, as always. And I hope you're keeping well and safe, man. There's still a little bit of a strange world out there, but hopefully we'll get the meetups going soon. I'll get a chance to travel when big old Boris lets us jump on a plane again, and hopefully get to see you face to face and give you a hug, shake your hand, and say thank you in person. So people, love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Just take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.